Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So if you are ready to take your listening experience to another dimension, it's time to explore the 360 reality audio. So this is Sony's immersive audio technology, and it puts you right in the center of the music with sounds coming from all around you rather than just left and right. Amazon Music Unlimited has a growing basically catalog of tracks mixed in 360 reality audio. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually browse the 360 reality audio in Amazon Music, or I will show you exactly how to find them. A quick heads up, this is only available for Amazon Music Unlimited subscribers, and you will need any compatible headphones or speakers to get the full effect. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, go and check your subscription. As I told you, if you have Amazon Music Unlimited subscription, it will be available. Otherwise, talking about Prime or free account, you won't see this option. Open the Amazon Music app on your mobile device, iPhone or even Android. Tap the browser tab at the bottom of the screen or at the top, depending on the version. Then look for the Spatial Audio Hub. Explore the 360 Reality Audio playlist. Inside you will find any created playlist specifically for 360 Reality Audio, such as the top Reality Audio songs, 360 Reality Audio playlist, or any type that is similar, including the new releases and the top songs there. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.